Welcome to Smart India Robotics.
In this video tutorial, we can learn what is LED. LED bulb are available in a range of its brightness, level, colors and shapes. This is 3-volt lithium battery. The plus sign indicates positive. The other side have no sign is negative. Normal LED has 2 terminal. The short lead is negative and long lead is positive. This LED has 3 lead. It will have 2 color. This LED is used to mix 2 color to form new color. This is the RGB LED. It has 4 leads and it has 3 colors. Used to combine 3 colors. Now we can glow 1 LED with 3-volt battery. Place the long lead in positive and short lead in negative. This is 1 green LED. This is 1 blue LED. This is 1 red LED. Now we can glow 3 LED with 3-volt battery. 2 variants are available. One will be transparent and glow different color. Other one will be colored and glow same color. This is 3 transparent and glow blue color. This one is transparent orange LED. This one is colored yellow color LED. This one is colored green color LED. This one is colored red color LED. This is tiny orange color LED. Now we can glow 3 lead LED and absorb 2 color in 1 LED. The shorter lead is negative, and 2 longer lead is positive. In one side it is glowing green color. In the other terminal, it's glowing yellow color. We can mix yellow and green to form tertiary color. In this LED, one color is fused. We can try to glow other color. In one terminal the LED is not glowing, and in the other terminal it's glowing orange color. We can glow RGB LED and absorb the colors of the LED. In RGB LED there are 2 types. One is common anode and common cathode. We are using common cathode. The longer terminal is negative and others are positive. Absorb each terminal. One terminal it's glowing red. In the next terminal it's glowing green. In the last terminal it's glowing blue. By the combination of the RGB, we can glow more than 16 millions of colors. Next we can glow 10 LED. It will be bigger in size. This LED is also available in different colors. Now we can glow and absorb the color. This one is the transparent white LED. Its brightness will be high comparing to the other small LEDs. In this video, we have learned a little bit about LEDs. Stay tuned for many informative video and to build new projects. Feel free to contact us.